Welcome to the 10-minute trading room. This is how to trade only 10 minutes a day and exactly how to take the guesswork out of trading. With our 10 minutes to freedom trading strategy, as you know, basically it says hold cash unless one of these things happens. Is in reality at the end of the day what it's trying to tell us. Hold cash or do something, right? And you have to go through the funnel. And only once something falls out the bottom of the funnel, right? Only at that point when something trickles out the bottom, that's when you do stuff. Otherwise, hold cash. And we do that starting at the top with the market, letting the market tell us which way it's going by looking at the 10-day over the 20-day and price over the 50-day. Now, I mentioned this morning in the Discord. Yeah, this is still intact. The 10-day is still over the 20-day. Price is still over the 50-day, but this is a weak trend. What I mean by that is look at the distance between these 2 points, right? Look at the 10, look at the 20, look at the 50. All right, see how they're spread apart, right? Imagine they're three lines. I have to go the other direction. Yeah, they're 3 lines spread apart. And as you can see, they're getting closer and closer and closer. That's not bullish. We want to see those expanding. We want to see that growing for a strong trend, and we don't see that. And as you can see, price is just not going anywhere. Next, MMFI. This, honest to goodness, at the end of the day, has been the biggest tool that saved us a lot of frustration over the last few months, if you want to think about that. And I learned this from Mark, right? It's the thing that you want to have as many participants in the market actually being bullish. And this is not a huge hurdle to jump. This is not how many stocks are over their 10-day moving average or how many over their 4-day moving average, just over their 50-day moving average. Just even the smallest hurdle of being in a bull market. Only 40% of the stocks are doing that. And if you look, it's been around 40 the last 30 days, 40 days or so. Up from around 20, but still nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. And you can see that reflected in the chart here. Nothing's happening. Then finally, FinClub. This is our artificial intelligence data that we use. This came through as red today. So what we see here is slightly bullish, bearish, bearish. And on a day like today, you guys know, it's a transition day. We've had so many I've traded less in 2023 than I have probably ever. One of the reasons why is because I'm following my rules better than I ever have. I mean, I've always followed the rules, but now that it's public, like working with you guys, I have to follow them like even more. Otherwise, you're going to call me on it. And the reason that we aren't trading is that today's a transition day. Nothing's happening in the market. Nothing is happening except a lot of people getting chewed up and spit out and wondering what they're doing wrong. So, because of that, we don't go any further down the funnel. We're not even going to go to run the charts on the scanners or real strength or anything else because there's just nothing to do. Remember, we wait in cash for proper setups. How long? As long as it takes. While you're doing nothing, lesser experienced, lesser disciplined, and lesser skilled investors are laying the groundwork for your success. Let them build the bases and we'll buy the breakouts. And it'll take as long as it takes. But you have to show up every day with consistency and discipline. Because as Richard Dennis would say, I'll give you the rules. You just have to follow them with consistency and discipline.